I would say, as a rule of thumb, I never want to see the price retrace more than 50% of the move. So if this is the first leg up, the most it can retrace is 50%. More than that, the pattern's broken. But I don't even really want to see it retrace more than 75%, if I'm going to be honest. I'd rather see it hovering here in the top 25% of the move. I want this to really be showing some serious strength. And then this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to see it squeezing up. I'm going to see a couple candles of pullback right here. And then what I look for on the time and sales, so this is the time and sales window right here, and I'm going to look for green orders to start going through. When green orders are going through, that means the price is starting to move up. So I don't need to wait for this candle to actually close. Once I see green orders coming in, that's when I initiate my buy order. So now here, this is the spot right there where I'm in. Now maybe I'm in a little bit lower, but I'm in right around this area here. And my max loss on this trade is now the low of this pullback. So my max loss initially was, well, the low of this whole move. So by waiting for this pullback, I was able to move my max loss from down here to right here. I moved my max loss up a ton. Now this is called risk. I'm managing my risk. So if this is my entry and that's my stop, let's say, for instance, that's 10 cents a share. Let's just say, for the sake of argument, that I got in this at $6.60 and my stop is $6.50. My target on this most likely would be 7. And I'll explain that more in just a moment. So on this, I would look for then continuation higher and a move up to the next level. Now, a stock that's very strong, that has great news, is typically going to give us not just one solid pullback. Typically, we'll have another one up here. And by the time this one's happening, I'm already green on the trade. I could be holding my whole position, or I could take a little profit off the table as it moves higher, or I could take profit when I see the first red candle. And then I can add back right here. So it goes higher, and then here we have another one right here. So I'll just keep trading these. I'll keep trading them. I'll keep trading them until the pattern breaks down. So like right here, the pattern, it starts to break down. Well, this was our previous low right here. That was our previous low. We always want to see that we hold, we move higher. We hold, we move higher. We hold, we move higher. We want to be stair-stepping higher. It should look like a set of stairs. But here, when we come back down and we actually break the low of this last pivot, at that point, we know it's over. Now, I wouldn't have been a buyer down here anyways because we don't have the green, and this is a big red candle. This candle communicates too much weakness. So this pattern already would have been telling me to stay away, to not even touch it.